Want to make viral YouTube shorts but have no time, editing skills, or ideas? This free AI tool literally builds them for you in under 30 seconds. It's called Opus Clip, and it takes any long YouTube video and automatically turns it into viral shorts with captions, zooms, and highlights. Just copy the URL of any YouTube video you've already made, paste it into Opus Clip, and within minutes, you get 3 to 10 short clips. Edited, captioned, zoomed, and ready to post. No editing, no stress. If you're building a faceless channel or struggling to stay consistent with shorts, this tool saves you hours and gives you fast content to grow your channel. What makes it powerful? It uses AI to find the most engaging parts of your video, then adds captions, cuts the fluff, and even gives each clip a hook-based title. Here's what smart creators are doing. Make one long video per week. Use Opus Clip to create 5 to 10 shorts. Post 1 short a day for the next 7 days. Boom! Instant content plan. Want me to show you exactly how I use Opus Clip and what my results look like? Drop shorts in the comments and I'll make a full tutorial. And subscribe for more tools that save you time and grow your channel.